Today I'll show you how to use Jasper AI for creating high quality on-brand content quickly and efficiently. First, log into Jasper's dashboard. It's your launchpad for creating content. Simply type what you need help with. Enter your content goal like brand awareness email. Jasper will ask you for more context, unique selling points, key messages, or audience specifics. Enter details such as call to action options and brand voice. Then Jasper will generate a draft tailored to your needs in seconds. Provide Jasper with as much specific information as possible to create more relevant content. And choose a consistent brand voice to keep your message aligned. To make sure that Jasper stays on brand, add company-specific knowledge and select a voice. Go to the knowledge section and upload essential details about your brand, such as your mission statements or product details. Choose a tone of voice that matches the content type. You can create multiple voices for different types of marketing materials. Once Jasper generates your content, take a moment to review it and make any necessary tweaks. Jasper gets close, but small adjustments can make a big difference. Use Jasper's built-in chat tool to refine sections. You can ask questions and get recommendations for best practices directly in the editor. If you're looking to refine your content or experiment with new approaches, Jasper can help you with iterative writing. Give Jasper specific instructions for rewriting or rephrasing parts of content. Once Jasper delivers a draft you're happy with, transfer it to your marketing platform. Jasper can not only generate emails, but blogs, social media posts, and more. From the select content option, choose the type of content you'd like to make. Fill in prompts with specific details, and let Jasper create content. Then edit as needed. If you'd like more information about Jasper, you can check out their official Jasper Academy, where you can access live and on-demand training.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.